Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about article in grammar, English grammar. So, in English grammar, a, an, and the are called the articles. They are a kind of determiners which determine or limit the noun that follows them as. Now, a, and the are these three are the articles. Okay, I think all of you have done this in your previous class also. What is article, a, and the, vowel, consonant, right? So all of you, I think all of you must have known that a, you will write a or the in front of consonant, and the vowel, there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So you have to add n before the vowels. The words start with the vowels. Okay, now a book, an Indian, the Ramayana, etc. A, look at the red point. A, and the, these are the articles. Whichever is red in color, they are articles. Now a and a and n are called indefinite article. The is called the definite article. So you have to understand what is indefinite article and what is definite article. So first of all, let's begin with this example. An owl, 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 because there are so many owls, lots and lots of owls. We haven't seen any owl, so that is indefinite. If you are not talking about a particular owl, that means that is indefinite. And on a tree, an owl on a tree, that is a sentence. Okay, you haven't seen trees, there are so many trees. Owl, there are so many owls. Even you don't know, you are talking about which owl and which tree. So if there is not a particular tree or not a particular owl, that means that is called indefinite sentence, indefinite article. Now see the complete sentence: an owl on a tree in the Himalayas. Okay, now here you will find an, a, the, all three articles. Okay, and because an owl, why an owl? Because o is a vowel. Owl, owl, owl. O is a vowel. So in front of vowel you will add an, an. Now on a tree, tree, this is not a indefinite article, right? Tree, like I have said, there are so many tree and you are not sure which tree you are talking about. And t is not a vowel. That is the reason a, article a, will be written in front of tree. Now in the Himalayas, now the, the Himalayas, there is only one Himalayas, right? You cannot say which of the Himalayas, because there is only one Himalayas. And if there is only one thing and that is particular, that means that is definite articles. So you have to add the in front of definite article. So clear? And a and you will write in front of vowel or indefinite article. A you will write in front of consonant and indefinite article, but the, the should always be right in front of definite article. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Before you sounded as you and before o sounded as wo. Okay, so a before the consonant you will write before the word starts with consonant, not with vowels. There are only 5 vowels. Okay, out of 26 letters there are 5 vowels and 21 consonant. And n is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound or silent h. If there is h silent, okay, at that time you will write like honest. The spelling of honest is honest, honest. H is silent, so you will write an in front of vowel as well as the word where h is silent. Now these are the examples: a bird, an owl, a BA, an MA, a giant, an hour, a horse, an apple, a unicorn, an Indian, a European, an elephant, a useful animal, an honest man, a one-eyed giant, an easy question. So these are the vowels, these are the articles a and the. You have to please make it clear that a you will write in front of consonant. You will put a in front of where the word used starts with consonant, and where the word start with vowel, and where the h silent, and the in front of definite article. Points to remember: a and n is used before a singular noun which is countable. Okay, a and n, singular which is countable. If something you can count, if there is a countable noun, then you can put a and n. A and n is not used before uncountable noun, that is before the things we cannot count. Now you cannot add, or you cannot put a and n before uncountable noun where we cannot count, like sugar. Can you count sugar? No. That means you cannot write a or n in front of sugar. Okay, so these are the articles. I will give you some homeworks also, worksheet also. Please try to do it in your house, and I will give you the answer key of our previous chapter, pronoun. Okay, till then, take care, and